Okay, good morning everyone. Please all stand. May I request one representative to lead the prayer? Okay, please come in front. Okay, good morning class. Okay, before you sit down, please pick up some pieces of paper under your chair and arrange your chair properly. And you may now sit down. Class Bidel is absent today. Okay, very good. There's no absent today. Clap your hands. And before we start our discussion, let me present to you our classroom rules. Here is our classroom rules. Classroom rules. Be quiet when the teacher is talking. Respect and listen when your classmates share their ideas. Listen to the teacher and be attentive all time. And the last is raise your hand if you have a question or if you want to answer. Then I hope everyone follow these rules. Okay. Then is that clear? Very good. And a short recap. Who can recall what was our topic that we discussed yesterday? Okay, please stand up. Very good. It's all about derivative. Okay. What is the formula of derivative? Please stand. Very good. The formula of derivative is d over dx times the quantity of c, which is constant, is equals to 0. Very good. It seems you can still remember our discussion last meeting. And now, let me introduce to you our new topic. But before that, I have here an objectives. This will be our objective in this morning. Okay, please read. Okay, thank you. At the end of this lesson, the student should be able to define antiderivative, solve the problem using the formula, and show interest during class discussion or group activity. And I have here an activity. It is called scrambled letter. Okay, please read. Okay, thank you. First activity, number 1. Scrambled letter. The student will be grouped into 3 groups. Each group will be provided with the answer sheet. Arrange the scrambled letter and put it on the board if you are done answering. Ang unang grupo na unang makatapos ay siya yung panalo. Okay, understand? Very good. I'll give you 30 seconds to answer your activity. And let's go. Group first. Count off. 1, 2, 3. Okay. Here we will the group 1, group 2, and group 3. Okay, very good. Let's come to your respective group. Okay. 10 seconds left. Are you done? Okay, very good. The group 2 is already done. Okay, you may now sit down. And what is the word that you arrange? It is what? it is antiderivative. Okay, very good. Then, who can guess what is our topic this morning? Okay, our topic this morning is all about antiderivative. Very good. Very good. Antiderivative. Okay. How did you find the activity? Is it easy for you to arrange the letter, scrambled letter? Okay, very good. And now, let's define and understand what is antiderivative. Okay, antiderivative is a function that reverses the process of differentiation. It is also known as the indefinite integrals. When we say indefinite integrals, there is no lower or upper limit. If fx is the antiderivative of if x lower fx, it means that integrals of f times the quantity of x times dx is equals to uppercase f times the quantity of x plus c. Okay. In other words, uppercase f times the quantity of x is the function whose derivative is fx. Antiderivative includes a family of functions that differ by a constant, because the derivative of a constant is equals to 0, where fx is antiderivative, c is a constant. Okay, very good. And now, let's proceed to the other. Let's continue. And now, here is a antiderivative power rule. Antiderivative power rule. Antiderivative power rule. The antiderivative power rule is also the general formula that is used to solve simple integrals. It shows how to integrate a function of the form x to the upper of n, where n is equals to negative 1. The power rule of antiderivative is integrals x to the power of n d times the quantity of n is equals to x n plus 1 over n plus 1 plus c. That is the formula of the antiderivative power rule. I have here an example. Claro? Okay. Example, function of integrals x cubed dx. X cubed dx. Integrals x cubed dx is equals to, we use the formula of the antiderivative power rule, is equals to integrals x cubed times dx is equals to x cubed plus 1 over 3 plus 1 plus c. Okay, we use the power rule of antiderivative, that's why we need to add 1. Okay, x cubed plus 1 is equals x to the power of 4, then 3 plus 1 is equals 4 plus c. Then the final answer is x to the power of 4 over 4 plus c. Understand? Okay, very good. The second example is the function of integrals x to the power of 5 plus 3x plus 6. Okay. Fx is equals to integrals times the quantity of x to the power of 5 plus 3x plus 6 times the quantity of dx. Okay. If x, you write the if x, then we apply the power rule antiderivative. That's why we put it x to the power of 5 plus 1 over 5 plus 1, then plus 3x x one variable consists 1 power, which is 1. That's why we put it 1 plus 1, then over 1 plus 1, plus 6x, then we put it c, which is the constant. We remove the dx, and after that we put the c. C means constant. Okay, very good. Then the final answer is, you need to add the power, because we also apply the power rule. Okay, x to the power of 5 plus 1 is equals to x to the power of 6 over x plus 3x squared over 2 plus x plus 6x plus c, and that is the final answer. And I have here one problem. Who wants to answer it in your extra paper. Then if you're done, just raise your hand and put your answer here. Okay, I'll give you 5 seconds. Are you done? Okay, very good. The answer is integrals x squared times dx is equals to x squared plus 1 over 2 plus 1 plus c. Then the final answer, because we need to add this 2 plus 1, that's why the answer will be x cubed over 3 plus c. Understand? Okay. Very good. Do you have any question? Do you have any question? Okay, none? So, I have a question. What can you say about the solution? It is understandable? Okay, very good. What rule of antiderivative, that is also a general formula that is used to solve simple integrals? It is called, okay, very good, power rule. When we say power rule, it is a antiderivative that is also a general formula that is used to solve simple integrals. Okay, the third question. What is the formula of antiderivative power rule? Okay, please stand. Very good. The formula of antiderivative power rule is integrals xn times dn is equals to xn plus 1 over n plus 1 plus c. Okay, very good. Now, let's have a group activity so that you can apply the knowledge that you have gained from our discussion. Now, please read. Activity 2. With the same group, each group will answer these two problems below. I give you only 1 minute to answer and place it on the board if you are done. Okay, go to your respective group and answer the second activity. You only have 1 minute to answer. It's only 2 problems, 1 and 2. Okay, understand? Okay, proceed. Are you done? Okay, very good. Place it on the board. Give it to me. Okay, thank you. The answer of the problem number 1 is here, and the problem number 2. Okay, let's check if your answers are correct. Okay, the problem number 1 is integral x to the power of 8 times dx. So, we apply the antiderivative power rule formula. What is the formula of the power rule? Okay, very good. And the answer is x to the power of 9 over 9 plus c. Is it correct? Is it correct? Okay, very good. How about the second problem? Integrals 4x cubed times dx. Okay, the answer is 4x to the power of 4 over 4 plus c. And we can simplify it because 4 divided by 4 equals 1. And the final answer is x to the power of 4 plus c. Did you understand? Okay, very good. And now, who can give me one example that can apply the antiderivative power rule in our real life situation? Okay, please stand up. Okay, very good. Clap your hands. Okay, then sit down. To sum up the lesson that we have tackled today, I will ask you some questions regarding our discussion. Okay, what is antiderivative power rule? Stand up. Okay, very good. Rule is also the general formula that is used to solve simple integrals. The second question, what is C means in the formula? In the formula we have here plus C. What is that means? Okay, please stand up. Very good. C means constant. Okay, very good. The third question, how do you compute the antiderivative power rule? By using the formula. Okay, very good. Clap your hands. Okay, then get 1/2 sheet of paper. Answer the following question. I have here 5 questions. You answer this one. Okay. And that's all, sir. Thank you.